Hi, my name is Jason. I'm the manager of XBRL services here at DisclosureNet. In today's session, we want to talk to you about 3 key tasks that you need to perform before you migrate to the new UGT or taxonomy base. Let's start with the first key task. Review the changes. Review the changes to the new UGT, or in this case, the 2014 taxonomy, and understand what is changing within that taxonomy. Focus on the sections that impact your filing the most. Understand the reason for the change. There are a number of reasons for elements to change or the taxonomy to change. For any element that has changed from one taxonomy base to another, there will be a change label. This change label will describe the change to the element, whether that's a label change such as period end, period start, or if it's just a documentation label change. You must still review that element and make sure it's still applicable to your filing. There are a number of other changes such as 11 ASUs that will impact the 2014 taxonomy. There's industry-specific changes. There are calculation hierarchy changes and import schema changes such as country and currency. Understand these changes and understand how they're going to impact your filing so that you can best prepare for the migration. Next, isolate and replace the deprecated elements. Create a list of deprecated elements. All deprecated elements will actually have a reason why they're being deprecated, and at times will give you a replacement element in the new UGT. In some cases, you'll actually have to add dimensional tagging to that new element. Follow the US GAAP taxonomy structure, and also use the XBRL.us website for best practices. Finally, to wrap it up, review your custom elements. Pull a listing of custom elements from your current taxonomy. Review and replace them from the new UGT. Get approvals and replace and update your tagging. This process should be done yearly or even semi-annually. It is the most tedious process, but at the same time the most rewarding from an XBRL quality standpoint. The purpose of this? Well, we want to reduce the number of custom elements in your filing. Reducing the number of custom elements in your filing will help financial analysts compare your data across your industry and will also help create and maintain industry best practices. So with that today, I want to thank you for joining us. If you have any questions, shoot me an email at j.martin@disclosurenet.com. And thank you. Happy filing.